Understanding key performance indicators, KPIs. Key performance indicators, KPIs, are essential quantifiable measurements used by organizations to evaluate and track their performance towards specific long-term business objectives. In this article, we will delve deeper into the critical aspects of KPIs, their classifications, applications, and how they can transform organizational effectiveness. What are key performance indicators? KPIs serve as a quantifiable benchmark against which companies can assess their performance in various domains including strategic, financial, and operational achievements. By providing insight into how well an organization is performing compared to its set targets, industry standards, or competitors, KPIs empower management to make informed decisions that drive growth and efficiency. Key takeaways. KPIs measure a company's success against specific objectives or industry benchmarks. They can be classified into various types, each focused on different operational areas. KPIs allow for tracking progression toward specific goals over time. The fundamentals of KPIs. KPIs are used to assess a multitude of operational facets like financial health, net profit, revenues, liquidity ratios, customer experience, customer satisfaction, retention rates, operational efficiency, production cycle times, quality rates. Through effective data collection and analysis, KPIs can reveal whether current processes are achieving organizational aims or if changes are required. Hierarchies of KPIs. KPIs can be sorted into three broad levels. 1. Company-wide KPIs. Focus on overall business performance. Useful for high-level discussions but may lack the granularity needed for targeted action. 2. Department-level KPIs. Offer insights into specific departments, revealing why certain outcomes occur. For instance, a retail chain may focus on sales conversion rates in different departments. 3. Project or subdepartment level KPIs. Provide detailed metrics concerning particular projects or operational components. These often require extensive data sets that need to be specifically requested. Types of key performance indicators. Understanding the various types of KPIs can help organizations focus on the most relevant metrics for their goals. 1. Strategic KPIs. These represent high-level business goals and are crucial for executives. Examples include return on investment, ROI, profit margin, total revenue. 2. Operational KPIs. Focused on day-to-day performance, these metrics are essential for operational staff. Examples include monthly revenue growth, customer acquisition rates. 3. Functional KPIs. Targeting specific segments of the business, like marketing or finance, these KPIs can include metrics like number of new clients, email click-through rates. 4. Leading versus lagging KPIs. Leading KPIs predict future performance, e.g., sales pipeline. Lagging KPIs reflect past performance, e.g., annual sales. Example KPIs across departments. Financial metrics. Common financial KPIs include net profit, the total revenue minus all expenses. Liquidity ratios, such as current ratio or quick ratio to assess financial health. Customer experience metrics. Essential for customer service departments. Average response time, the time it takes to initially contact a customer after they reach out. Customer satisfaction score, CSAT, generally gathered through surveys. Process performance metrics. Designed for repetitive processes, such as production efficiency, measured as actual production time versus total processing time. Error rate, the number of errors divided by the total units produced. Marketing metrics. Analyze the effectiveness of marketing strategies, such as conversion rate, the percentage of users who take action. Website traffic, the number of visitors to specific pages. Sales metrics. Evaluate the sales process, for example. Customer lifetime value, CLV, total revenue expected from a customer over their lifetime. Customer acquisition cost, CAC, total cost of acquiring a new customer. Human resource metrics. Track workforce performance metrics, like employee turnover rate, the rate at which employees leave the company. Absenteeism rate, the frequency of employee absenteeism. Creating effective KPI reports. Developing KPI reports requires thoughtful planning. Key steps include: 1. Setting goals. Clearly define organizational objectives to guide KPI selection. 2. Draft SMART requirements. KPIs should be specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. 3. Adapt and evolve. KPI metrics should be flexible and recalibrated as business needs evolve. 4. Avoid information overload. Keep reports focused to ensure clarity and actionable insights. The advantages of using KPIs. Leveraging KPIs can bring forth substantial benefits, such as encouraging actionable goals through clear performance tracking, fostering data-driven decision-making, improving individual accountability across departments. Potential limitations of KPIs. Despite their advantages, KPIs come with challenges. They may take time to yield significant insights. Require continual monitoring for accuracy and relevance. The possibility of manipulation to meet specific management objectives. Conclusion. Key performance indicators are critical for organizations seeking to enhance performance and achieve long-term goals. By effectively implementing KPIs across various departments and fostering a culture of data-driven decision-making, companies can optimize their operations and drive sustainable growth. Understanding KPIs and effectively implementing them is not just an analytical exercise, it's a strategic imperative that can shape the future of a business. With the right focus and a keen awareness of their potential benefits and drawbacks, organizations can harness the true power of KPIs.